Have you ever opened your liftgate, only to have the handle come off in your hand? This frustrating issue is surprisingly common in certain Jeep and FCA vehicles built after April 30, 2019. The problem happens because the plastic clips and tabs that hold the handle cover in place can crack or lose their grip over time. As a result, the handle becomes loose, wobbly, or even detaches completely, making it difficult or impossible to open your liftgate as intended. This can be especially inconvenient if you're loading groceries, luggage, or other items, and it often leaves owners wondering if they did something wrong or if their vehicle is defective. Technical Service Bulletin 9004037 addresses this exact problem affecting these vehicles. The plastic clips and tabs on the handle cover crack or lose retention, making the handle loose or fall off completely. It's not a recall, but dealers have official guidance. Dealers verify the issue, and for vehicles built after April 30, 2019, they may send parts for analysis or proceed with replacement. The fix involves replacing the handle, cover, and any broken clips. Some owners opt for DIY replacement, though temporary adhesive fixes aren't recommended for long-term use. How much will it cost to fix? If your Jeep is still under the basic warranty, the repair is usually covered at no cost to you. For vehicles out of warranty, the cost to replace the liftgate handle and clips can range from $100 to $300 at a dealership, depending on labor rates and parts. Some owners may find lower prices at independent shops. Always check with your dealer first, as Jeep may cover the repair if the issue is widespread or due to a known defect. Bottom line, this is a known issue with official dealer guidance. Your dealer should know exactly how to fix it. Found this helpful? Drop a comment with your experience, smash that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.